IKEA in Stockholm, Sweden with my mentor, Mai.
Hello.
She's Syrian, right?
Assyrian.
Assyrian.
Yeah, from Syria.
From Syria. So she's really special in the world. And I'm with all the exchange students coming from all over the world. Jealous? You better be jealous. Okay, we're gonna walk in soon. We'll see how it is.
Yeah. Dun dun dun. You have to do some intro music.
Ingang.
Ingang. Entrance.
Look at that! It's like right in the middle of the elevator.
And it only costs 200 crowns.
What?
Less than $20.
Oh my goodness. So here we are. I'll grab a bag.
A shopping bag.
I had to wait for my roommate. I lost her. Say hi to my camera.
Are you taking a photo?
A video.
A video? Okay, we are in IKEA.
A what? A video?
A video?
Hi, I'm recording. Are you recording? Yeah.
Hi!
Hi. Hi.
Yellow bags!
Yay. This is my roommate again.
Feel home.
Dory.
I'm not beautiful enough.
Yeah, you are. You're beautiful.
These cameras so near to my face.
Yeah, you're from Spain.
Please. A little more distance.
Everybody's leaving.
No.
Oh, yeah, it is that way, but everybody's leaving already. I've heard someone
Then we can go. Yeah. So, I have a question.
Yeah.
For Swedish people, do you guys stay on the right side or the left side?
I was told the right. Yeah, the right side.
The right side?
I think so. Yeah.
Okay.
Now that you ask, I forgot. Are you Swedish? Yeah.
And this is from South Carolina, from the States.
North Carolina.
Huh?
North Carolina.
Oh, whoa, North. Bad. Big difference.
It's all good. It's almost the same thing.
Here we are. Dun dun dun.
IKEA is crazy.
A video.
A video.
It's a video.
Where are you from?
Spain.
Spain. A video to you too. Oh my goodness.
I want to
We want to fool the bar.
Oh, here's the food court. Look at the food court. It's so much better than the one in Palo Alto.
¿Qué tal todo? Pequeñito.
¿Qué vas a comprar? A ver.
Ah,
Really cool.
Lo sé.
De todo.
Oh, we have to wait. We can't go anywhere.
Tengo una lista. Tengo una lista con todas las cosas que tengo que comprar. Sí, muy organizada.
Bye.